Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing very well. I miss you a lot. I know these past couple of weeks have not been easy. Okay, how was y'all's vacation? What did you guys do? How are you guys doing in the house? Are you guys having more family time? I hope you guys are doing very well. Okay, I miss you guys so much. I wish we could be going to school every day. Okay, I miss you and I hope you're doing well. Okay, so for this lesson, we are going to be doing grammar. Okay, for the lesson of today, we have comparative adjectives. Okay, so what is an adjective? Do you guys remember what an adjective is? I know it's been a while, okay, but what is an adjective? What does it describe? Exactly. It describes a noun, okay? Adjective describes a noun. What is a noun? Do you guys remember what a noun is? Three things. Place, person, or thing, okay? Adjective describes the person, place, or thing, okay? Depending on the color, depending on the size, the height, okay? We are describing the noun, okay? So now we're going to be learning about comparative, okay? So before we get started, I just want to remind you guys a few things before when we are taking notes, okay? Some important things we should always remember, which is capital with what color? Red, okay? Capital with color red, lowercase with blue, okay? Complete heading, complete date. It is first the day, the month, the year, okay? So for example, today is Monday. Monday what? April 20th, 2020, okay? Then below we have your name, complete name. I don't want to see short names. I don't want to see your nickname. I want to see complete full name. Okay, guys? Then we write our note, 21. Then we have our title, which is color red. We underline with a ruler. Okay, so we have straight lines. Okay, I want to see all the correct headings in every single note. Okay, guys, don't forget to do that. So, in the first note, it is comparative form of adjectives. A comparative adjective compares one person, place, or thing to another. To form a comparative adjective, you can usually add er. If it ends in y, change to I and add er. If it is a long word, use more before the adjective. Comparatives are followed by the word then. Okay, so here we have a few examples. Remember, these notes are going to be in Moodle. Okay, you're going to copy them from Moodle. Okay, I'm just telling you guys here so we can do the notes together so you guys know what we are supposed to do. Okay, so example. The first example is short and shorter. Okay, so we are going to be describing two things, okay? Or it could be two people, okay? So example, we have Sophia, we have Jessica, okay? We have two people here, okay? We have two girls, yes? So it is Sophia and Jessica, okay? We are going to be comparing them. So we are going to say Sophia is shorter than Jessica. Okay, so we are comparing their heights. Which one is shorter? Okay, which one is taller? Okay, so we are comparing their heights, two people. And the next one, it says happy and happier. What do you guys notice in the word happy? Exactly, it has a Y. So what do we do if it has a Y? Drop the Y, add I-E-R. Okay? Do not leave that Y on there. Okay, so we are going to drop the Y, add I-E-R. Okay, so we are going to compare the same thing. We have Sophia, we have Jessica. Okay, we are comparing these two girls. Okay, so if we are comparing them, we are going to say, for example, they are at a party. Okay, one is having more fun than the other, one is playing with their friends, and one is not having so much fun. So we can say, for example, Sophia is happier than Jessica. Okay, they are comparing which one is more happy. Okay, then the next example is what? Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. What can we see in the example? What does it not have? ER. Why? Because in the note it says if it is a long word, we do not add ER. What do we add? We add more before the adjective. Okay, so remember, you do not add ER to a long word. Okay, we add more. Okay, guys, here is another few more examples. Okay, so you guys can see the difference of using just a regular adjective and a comparative adjective. Okay, so remember, first off, name and date, note, and your heading. Always, always, always. Okay, so in the first column where it says adjective, we can see that it says Josh is tall. Adjective describes the noun. Where is the noun in the first sentence? Exactly, Josh, okay? They're describing Josh. Josh is tall, okay? Then, in the next column, it says comparative. We are going to read, Josh is taller than Jacob. Now, there are two nouns in this sentence. Josh and Jacob. Do you guys see? When we compare two things, two nouns, okay? So it says Josh is taller than Jacob. We have Josh and Jacob. We are comparing them. Who is taller? Josh is taller than Jacob, okay? After every comparative adjective, we add than. Okay, so taller than. Yes? So now the next one is the weather is dry today. Where it says adjectives, the second sentence it says the weather is dry today. Okay? Dry is the adjective and weather is the noun. Now, in the other column where it says comparative, it says the weather is drier today than yesterday. Dry has what letter at the end? Y. Okay, so we drop the Y, add I-E-R. Okay, remember. They are comparing the weather today and yesterday. Okay, so they are saying the weather is drier than yesterday. Drier today than yesterday. Okay. Third sentence in adjective it says Sarah is intelligent. Where is the adjective here? Intelligent. Okay. Sarah is the noun. Okay. Intelligent is describing Sarah. So now in the comparative section it says Sarah is more intelligent than her brother. We use more here because intelligent is a long word, so we are not going to put intelligenter, okay? It is too much. It cannot be that long of a word, so we are going to add more, okay? So we put more than the adjective, okay? Are we understanding? I hope it's not too hard, okay? So adjective, it describes a noun, only describes one noun, okay? Comparative compares two things, okay? We can compare to people, to things, to places, okay? We can compare to phones, we can compare to chairs, we can compare, okay? Which one is taller, which one is shorter, which one is happier, which one is brighter, which one is funner, okay? We add ER to the end of the adjective. If it has a Y, add I, ER. If it is a long word, we add more, okay? So, in the next part, we have an activity, okay? So here you guys are going to work on your own. I'm going to help you with one of the sentences, okay? So let's read the instructions. Write the comparative form of the adjective in each sentence, okay? Remember, always read instructions. I know you guys might think you know what we are supposed to do because you have seen it before, but always read instructions, okay? I know some of you guys skip that, so remember to read instructions. So number 1 says, I think that I think that spring feels warm than winter, okay? They are describing two things. What are they describing in the sentence? The seasons, okay? Spring and winter. They are very different, yes or no? Yes, very different, okay? So in the sentence it says, I think that spring feels warmer than winter, okay? We add ER to warm because warm is the adjective in this sentence. It is describing the noun spring and winter, okay? So we add ER. So it is going to say, I think that spring feels warmer than winter, okay? Adjectives are in the parentheses, okay? So you guys, all you have to do is change the adjective to a comparative adjective, okay? That is all you have to do. The 3 main rules, okay? Add ER. If it has a Y, take off the Y, add IER. If it is a long word, you add more, and that is it. Okay, guys? I hope it wasn't too hard, okay? It is practically easy, okay? All we have to do is just compare 2 things, okay? So, if you have any questions, I will see you in the Zoom class later on today, okay? So, if you have any questions, ask me on there, okay? And I will be happy to answer all your questions, okay? So that is it for today, guys, okay? And I hope you guys are doing well. I love you and I miss you guys so much. See you guys very soon.